Some other poetry elements that we have are meter, mood, and onomatopoeia. Meter is a rhythmic pattern in poetry that is usually repeated. It can be measured in beats by counting syllables. So think about music class. When you have a rhythmic beat, usually you start as just a constant. That is what it means by counting syllables. So whose, woulds, these, are, I, think, I, know. That is the meter. A mood. Mood is the emotion that you, the reader, feels while you are reading. For many poems, the main purpose is to set a mood. For example, the reflection of the river sparkled. That is supposed to give you a peaceful mood or vibe. Onomatopoeia. This is where we have the sound written. We've learned about this figurative language before. Pop, bang, zing, ding. Those are all examples of onomatopoeia. So on this slide, you are going to get 3 minutes to come up with an example of each. Coming up with your own example of meter might be pretty hard. So you can put the definition of a meter, or if you're able to come up with your own example, you can do that as well.